Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you guys how I wash my hair on wash day. First, I start by making sure I wet all of my hair and I kind of finger detangle in the water to make sure that it'll make my detangling process a little bit easier. Next, I just take my shampoo to go all through my scalp, and this time I'm using my Pink Lemonade shampoo from the Main Choice, and I just try to make sure I scratch it into my scalp and get all that product buildup and residue from my hair so that it's nice and clean for my next style. Next, I take the deep conditioner of my choice, which is by Miele Organics today, the peppermint kind, and I just put it all over my hair and detangle my hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then I twist that up out of the way and do the same for the other side. Next, I do steaming my way. I take a clothes steamer and I just steam my hair to make sure the deep conditioner gets inside of it. I mean, it's cheap and it works, so I ain't gonna change my routine. Lastly, I just rinse out most of the deep conditioner. I leave a little bit in there, and I like to rebrush my hair underneath the water just to make sure there are no tangles in my hair. And twist up both sides and get ready to style my hair. This is my hair shed for this wash day.